Cameron, what's tomorrow?
Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas is tomorrow. You excited?
Yeah.
Christmas is tomorrow, but what time is it right now?
Cereal
time! Today's cereal is Chocolate Toast Crunch.
Between them.
Oh, you need milk? I don't know if that's the best decision.
Yeah. It's it.
It is?
Yeah.
Why don't you let me pour it?
No, I'm not going to pour it.
What about if I pour it?
No, you don't pour it. You are a big boy.
I am a big boy. What are you, though?
I'm a big boy.
You are a big boy. Does that mean you can pour it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Time. Time.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me how it's done. Form is on point. You just gotta. You gotta pump the brakes a little bit, okay? Typically, I do not like the combination of chocolate and cinnamon, but in this case, I'm really digging it. Cinnamon is very subtle, a lot of chocolate flavor, and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch texture that we all know and love. As a matter of fact, this reminds me of like a chocolate version of Golden Grahams. I wasn't very excited about this one going in, but I gotta say I am pleasantly surprised. The only thing that can make this better is if there's marshmallows in it, but I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10.
I'm gonna knock your camera down.
You calling your shot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call my shot too. You're gonna have to go in your room by yourself. I'm gonna take all your presents and throw them in a wood chipper.
No,
That's
that's my business.
what I thought.